So I was looking online for a builder who can deliver on what we need. And I came across Esteem, and they've got numerous 5-star reviews online.
One of the reasons why we decided to renovate our property was we did have a lot of area at the back in the garden, and we wanted to fill that up the best way as I can. Also, I needed a special room for my medical requirements, and in the process we ended up having a new kitchen, and we wanted something to have a little bit more space than what we had before. The communication was excellent in the way that we communicated our needs and what we wanted, and the way it was answered quickly, and also the suggestions that was placed onto us that we didn't even consider or think about.
Yes, we would highly recommend Esteem to family and friends. The journey that we had with them has exceeded our expectations. It's been smooth, and they've genuinely accommodated our family and our needs. They've listened to our feedback.